Hello students, welcome to my channel Swagat Tutorial. We discuss about general knowledge. First person in India. Who are the first president of Indian Republic? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who are the first prime minister of Free India? Answer: Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who are the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. Who are the first president of Indian National Congress? Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Who are the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Answer: Badruddin Tyabji. Who are the first Muslim president of India? Dr. Zakir Hussain. Who are the first British Governor General of India? Answer: Lord William Bentinck. Who are the first and last Indian to be Governor General of Free India? Answer: C. Rajagopalachari. Who are the first Indian to join the ICS? Satyendranath Tagore. Who are the first man in space? Answer: Rakesh Sharma. Who are the first Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing the full term? Morarji Desai. Who are the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of India? Answer: General Cariappa. Who are the first President of India who died while in office? Answer: Dr. Zakir Hussain. Who are the first Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament? Answer: Charan Singh. Who are the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics? C.V. Raman. Who are the first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award? Answer: Dr. Radhakrishnan. Who are the first Indian to cross English Channel? Answer: Mihir Sen. Who is the first person to receive Jnanapith Award? Sri Shankara Kurup. Who is the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer: Ganesh Vasudeva Mahabalankar. Who is the first Vice President of India? Answer: Dr. Radhakrishnan. Who is the first Education Minister of India? Answer: Abul Kalam Azad. Who is the first Home Minister of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is the first Indian Air Chief Marshal? Answer: S. Mukherjee. Who is the first Indian Naval Chief? Answer: Vice Admiral R.D. Katari. Who is the first Judge of International Court of Justice? Answer: Dr. Nagendra Singh. Who is the first person to receive Paramvir Chakra? Major Somnath Sharma. The first person to reach Mount Everest? Answer: Sherpa Anja Dorji. Who is the first Chief Election Commissioner? Answer: Sukumar Sen.